Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on VIVO V50e. So you have to start by pressing on the start button, and here you can select your location and then click next. Now you have to check this checkbox and click next. Here you can set up using another device, or you can click skip. And here you can connect Wi-Fi, or you can click setup offline and then click continue. Now you can set up your unlock method, or you can click skip. Now you have to scroll down and click accept. And here click on next, and then you can click disagree. And now click next, and here you can select your navigation mode and then click next. Then click get started. And as you can see, my phone is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.